Analysis of supervisor job descriptions. Introduction. The job market is frequently updated with new offers and vacancies. For this assessment, there were chosen 3 different companies that are looking for specialists in production supervision. Production supervision implies the responsibility of organizing and overseeing the production processes, the staff, and the equipment. While the titles of the jobs are the same in all 3 offers, the companies that are looking for new employees have slightly different requirements and expectations. They tend to have specific preferences regarding the employee's qualifications, future duties, and responsibilities. There have also been detected various aspects of the employer that affect their list of requirements for future employees. Production Supervisor, Harbison Walker, Valmont Industries, and Graham Packaging. The companies that have uploaded job offers on hiring platforms are all from different locations. Harbison Walker International needs a specialist in Fulton, Missouri, Valmont Industries in Houston, Texas, and Graham Packaging in Newark, Delaware. There are a couple of differences that suggest the company's years of being active in the market, the ethical principles, and the field of manufacturing. Harbison Walker has been on the market for over 150 years, Valmont Industries for more than 7 decades, and Graham Packaging, being the newest one, has been active since the early 90s. All 3 offers mention that they are employers who respect the equal opportunities values on their websites, as well as on the recruitment platforms. However, none of the offers included information about training and courses for future managers. According to researchers, training is a critical factor when it comes to having an efficient manager or supervisor. This addition to the offer would make the potential applicants confident and eager to learn new things. Responsibilities/duties. Each of the potential employers specifically states the responsibilities the job offer implies. Harbison Walker's duties as a production supervisor include ensuring the products meet the company's standards, analyzing equipment, organizing shift activity, partnering with maintenance, reporting on the performance of the staff, and managing aspects like payroll, approval, and communication. Valmont Industries lists the same duties with the addition of extra functions such as training new employees and implementing a work schedule that would maximize production. Graham Packaging's vacancy also mentioned that the production manager would be responsible for developing new methods to optimize manufacturing efficiencies. Graham Packaging is the newest company out of all of them. They are the most interested in hiring a specialist who would be able to participate in the company's strategies and manufacturing process at all stages. Minimum qualifications/preferred requirements. Each of the 3 job offers includes different qualifications the employers would like their employees to have. Harbison Walker's proposal states the potential production supervisor needs to have a high school diploma and at least 5 years of work experience with 1 year of supervisory experience. Previous factory work is an advantage when applying for the job. The company also expects its employees to have knowledge of hydraulic equipment and computer operation skills. The company also stated the preferred requirements. These things are not crucial, but an employee who possesses the preferred skills and qualifications will more likely get the job. Harbison Walker will preferably hire someone with a bachelor's degree and previous experience using Oracle ERP software. Valmont Industries also lists all the requirements a production manager should have. Similar to the previous offer, Valmont is looking for a person with a high school diploma or GED equivalent. While the company mentioned above is looking for a specialist with at least 1 year of experience in supervision, Valmont's offer states the requirement of having a minimum of 2 years of leadership experience in an industrial environment. The offer also includes mentions of solid communication skills, proficiency in operating a computer, ability to interpret documents, etc. They specifically state the additional qualities that would classify the potential employee as highly classified. The preferred requirements include possession of a bachelor's degree, 3 years of supervisory or managerial experience, knowledge of OSHA and environmental regulations, and the ability to calculate percentages, area, and proportions. Graham Packaging, the company that produces plastic packaging, is the only job provider out of the 3 that does not hire production supervisors without a bachelor's degree. The job offer also includes mentions regarding computer skills, the ability to work under pressure and meet deadlines, and proficiency in communication. The preference for this vacancy is having a minimum of 2 years of experience in supervisory or managerial jobs related to manufacturing. This is also the only company that stated the importance of demonstrating leadership skills, which will also make the employee preferred for this position. The main differences. While the mentioned job offers indicate the position of a production supervisor, all three of them have different requirements, minimum qualifications, and various responsibilities that the employee has to follow. It is noticeable that the newest company, Graham Packaging, is the employer that has the higher standards when it comes to hiring new people. Unlike Valmont Industries and Harbison Walker, Graham Packaging expects the supervisor to have a bachelor's degree. While they have the highest requirement for education, this is also the employer that expects the employee to participate in developing new strategies and plans for a more efficient manufacturing process. Compared to the other offers, this vacancy is the one that is focused on leadership rather than audit and communication with staff. The only company with seemingly minor requirements is Harbison Walker, stating the need for 1 year of experience in supervision, unlike 2 years for Valmont and Graham. Harbison Walker is also the oldest employer. The fact that the oldest company has the lowest requirements while the youngest organization has the highest ones may suggest a causality. Challenges/effects. The notion of supervision implies overseeing, analyzing, and examining a process, staff, or activity. However, the job descriptions studied above include a lot more responsibilities that are related to this job. A supervisor is responsible for the staff's schedule, communication with internal and external customers, organizing activities, implementing new strategies, and improving the efficiency rate. On the one hand, having so many requirements makes the supervisor's job more difficult and stressful. The responsibilities are connected to different fields of the company's activity, which can be challenging for the specialists. However, on the other hand, this allows supervisors to develop new skills, learn various things related to leadership and management, and increase the chance of being promoted. A specialist who is proficient in multiple fields will always be more preferred by future employers than the one who is only responsible for a few tasks in a single department or area of work. Furthermore, the evolved tasks that a supervisor must introduce in their schedules directly affect the employee from both negative and positive perspectives.